I watched one of the reels of Sarthak Ahuja, and he mentioned that US visa तुम लोग को अभी apply कर देना चाहिए even if you don't have any work in the US. Like he was saying that one of his friends missed out on an opportunity because he didn't have a US visa, similar to the Apple event thing which happened with you. And he mentioned on the reel that it just costs you, let's say 15,000 or 20,000 to get a US visa, but it's there for 10 years with you.
Yeah.
And the ROI again, like it'll compound only because whenever you get an opportunity, you shouldn't miss out on that.
Exactly.
So anyone who's watching this, I think even I recommend, मैं पापा भी हमेशा बोलते थे कि यूएस वीज़ा के लिए तो अप्लाई कर लो, एंड देन भले ही वो कभी भी मिलेगा, बट उसके बाद यू हैव लाइक अ 10 ईयर का पूरा वीज़ा लाइक यू कैन गो टू यूएस व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू.
आई थिंक नॉट जस्ट यूएस, आपके पास वो वीज़ा है तो आप बाकी कंट्री में भी एंटर कर सकते हो. फॉर इट गेट्स ईजियर. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन लिटरली बुक द नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट एंड गो टू दुबई without having to worry about my visa for Dubai. And I can just land there and they'll see my US visa and I just have to pay some 2,000-3,000 rupees and I'll get the Dubai का visa जो है.
अच्छा, visa on arrival.
हाँ, visa on arrival है for people who have the US visa. But if I did not have that, so I'll have to wait at least 5-6 days for me to get the visa on my Indian passport and then go there. So it just becomes easier. It's more convenient when you have the US visa with you.
Right.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.